tell me to the system. Grow your own food, people.
Just produce all year round, ensuring that you're getting a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals. Not only will it improve your health, but it will also create memories with family members or friends who share in this journey with you. And what about exercise? It's not just good for physical health, but also for mental well-being. Regular exercise can help boost mood, improve sleep quality, and even reduce stress levels. So why not make gardening part of your daily routine? You'll find yourself feeling healthier and happier in no time. So there you have it, folks. Starting a garden is an excellent way to lead a healthy lifestyle.